show 10. All right, so what we're doing today is we're making a chart. So in the past we've been making some tables. Now we're going to go ahead and make a chart using kind of the Excel program, and then I'm also going to show you how to link like text boxes, because I think Jacob had a question on how to make a text box have two columns. You can't put two columns into a text box. However, you can make multiple text boxes that link, you know, words and sentences together. All right. So first thing I want you guys to do is go to Insert tab and click on Chart. Insert Chart, and then we're just going to do the first one here, the cluster column. Hit OK. You will see that the chart pops up as well as your Excel kind of looking spreadsheet here. All right. So all we're going to type in is in cell B2 series 1, which I think is already actually there. Where it says category 1, just kind of follow along with me. All right, so that's the only data that I want there. All right, so now what I want you guys to do is, so what I have here, these are my percentages. All right, so I want it to represent percentages on the table as well. So this is my, what axis is this? My vertical axis, my y-axis. I want to click on this data here and go to Format Axis. Are we all following along a little bit? I'll give you guys a second to get caught up here. So if I want to make these percentages, click here, Format Axis. All right, make sure my axis options is selected. Scroll down to number. Make this into a percentage, and since these are all 0, change it to 0 decimal places. All right, give it a title. Don't really know what this table's about, so I'm going to call it Veggie Shopping. If I wanted to insert like something for, if I wanted to insert, what am I trying to say? A title for this axis here, I can go to Add, Access Titles, and then a primary or a vertical or a horizontal. So if I wanted to put something in here for like places to shop, all right. And then the last thing I want to show you is just changing the design. We have styles up here. All right. And then I can also change the fill of my columns. All right. Can also add some crazy pictures in here and textures, just like a shape or any other kind of picture would be. So that's how to make a table in Word and using Excel to help you with that. You guys can exit out of that Excel and scroll down a little bit here. So the next thing that I want to show you is just linking those two text boxes. So go to the Insert tab and then click Text Box. And I'm just going to use a simple text box for this demonstration and create 2 of them. So you can either Control and paste. Actually, no, you can't. I'm just going to go to Insert another text box. going on right now? There, oh, it did copy and paste. All right, so say I have these two text boxes and I want to make, like Jake wanted to do the other day, make like 2 columns. What in the... All right. Now that I just froze up my computer by doing that, we'll give it a second to think. All right. So right now I have an overfill in my text box. What I can do is I can go and I can link. Where is this now? So if I click on this anchor here, I right-click that says Create Text Box Link. All right. You'll get a kind of image that comes up. It looks like it's a picture. It's got stuff in it. If I go to this text box, it starts to dump out. I simply just click on that text box, and you can see that the text has now transferred over to the other text box. If I do make this one bigger, you can see that the text starts to transform into there. Holy cow. It's a lot of stuff. So that is how you link your text boxes. Simply by using this anchor. Like I said, by right-clicking on that, you get the link text box option. All right. You can break your link, go to the next one. All right.